to the ground from the tall, tall trees. L is for lion, roar he says, the jungle king who naps all day. L is for lock, click, click so tight, it keeps your things safe, morning or night. L is for light, glowing so bright, it shines in the dark and it brings delight. L is for lemon, so sour to eat, but squeeze it in water and it's a treat. L is for ladybird, red with black spots, crawling on leaves and loving sunny spots. L is for lamb, so fluffy and white, jumping in fields, oh what a sight. L is for lotus, a flower so grand, floating on water it takes a stand. L is for lotus, a flower so grand, floating on water it takes a stand.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for